So today is the first day where I'm gonna be trying to remove all my personal belongings from the storage and leave only the Harry Potter stuff. This is a process that's gonna take me weeks because I only have 1 or 2 days off a week. Let's see how long it will take. I will. Wait till the bus stop for the first turn back and forth.